position. Because obviously now you're talking about it takes a touchdown to beat you. Ball delivered to Johnny Knox, and that's a first down to the 15.
You okay over there?
Oh, I just got a case of the hiccups. Don't worry. Little beer put that fire out.
This is a long old throw with a wide receiver going away from you. Johnny Knox using the speed to run the DB off, turn back to the inside, run it down to the outside.
Okay, come here.
Come here. What's up?
We're gonna get rid of these things right now. My mom was notorious for old hiccup cures, so let's see if we get lucky. Bottoms up.
Do I have to?
Dude, I have to study. Unless you want to miss the Bears game, this is the only way we're gonna...
Alright, game time.
God damn it. That one usually works. I got a plan B though.
Maybe you should try tickling me or something? Maybe I'll just try the breath holding thing again.
Yeah.
Well, no matter what you say, Ray, I've at least earned the right to date your sister. Over my dead body. Deal?
Wait, what are we doing?
Oh, right. Oh, what smells like a donkey?
Indian food.
Oh, come on.
It's got barbecue sauce on it. It's still frozen.
Alright, beef and cheese, nice. Hey dude, I think they're gone. Here, just take it all. I've never even heard of this one.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if you'd actually do it. More. Well, we've spent hours on this, and you still have hiccups. I don't know what else to do. I still have to study. I'm so screwed.
Well, I can only think of one more thing. The paper bag treatment?
I don't think we have any of those. We got plastic.
I think that'll work. Let me see if we got some.
Yeah. Let me give you a hand with that.
This ain't working either, man.
Shut up! Shut up! You like your hiccups now?
You like them?
Guilty.